Hey guys, welcome back to my channel on So now I'm gonna do a demo test. So I'm going to apply half of my face using a brush and half of my face using a finger. Sorry, I'm gonna apply half. Let me adjust myself. Nose area, the foundation. Hello. Okay. Mic testing 1 2 3. And you have to keep in mind you have to keep change the camera setting. It is looking very bright in camera. Much better. Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Launched Nykaa Skin packaging with. Today I'm going to do a first impression on Hi my is the product that I am going to bought, and from their range I have this really bath and shower gel to review the product. So from their range they make organic. So like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, and do forget oh wow lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Okay, here. So definitely I'll do a Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a Sarojini. So I thought to refilm this again for you also. I think this time it will be perfect. I'm guessing and I'm hoping so. So yeah, let's start. I'm going to give you a little bit of introduction. So glam, you can very Glamico box, and there we have the products. Cool. This gives a rate. So basically it just gives a face. Good girl. Thank you. then I'll be just gonna remove the first side of my. First, I'm gonna be removing my first, and also you're gonna see a demo on removing, and also. And also you're going to see a demo of and also you're going to see a demo of me removing makeup package that has been sent to me.
Two hours later.
Infused with cleansing water. Supposed to remove your 175 rupees for 175 rupees for one. Bloopers.
Ready?
Video, you can go over to know how. See you all soon in my next video. Bye.